Hi guys, wanna hear YugaTech?
Hi guys! Happy holidays! This is Kim,
AJ
of YugaTech, and today Huawei sent us a care package. We got the Huawei Nova 3 and the Huawei Nova 3i, of course, for the holiday season. I mean, isn't it obvious with a hat? But let's unbox these two phones.
Alright.
And wait, you want to do it together?
Yeah. What?
Why?
Yeah, go.
Why?
Why?
1, 2, 3, go! AJ has the Nova 3 and I have the Nova 3i. Does it look familiar?
Is that a new color?
I mean, yeah, look at that. This is the new color of the Nova 3i. I mean, with all the phones with different colors these days, this is like a breath of fresh air. I think this is still the most popular mid-range phone that is out in the market.
So I have the Nova 3 and this is not new. This is just
It's been like
It's
that
not
color's
properly-
been out ever since.
Yeah.
But this one is the newest color that they have for the Nova 3i. Does it remind you of anything? I mean, it reminds me of my old phone, but I actually like it. That feels great. Ta-da! It's cute. I mean, not really, but it's different from everything that we see, like from different brands and Huawei. It's just something that's not part of the trend, the gradient trend, which I like actually. And as we all know, every brand of phone that we know has released their own version of the red phone. Now this is Huawei's version of their red phone. It looks classy, fancy, and so red. Do you like how the buttons feel? Like, is it clicky? Because you have really small hands.
it's nice. It feels so handy. Even I have small hands.
How about the buttons?
The buttons is so clicky.
Do you like the position of the fingerprint scanner? Like, can you reach it?
Yes, of course.
I mean, you have really small hands, so I don't know. I'm just asking your opinion. And as we all know, these phones are popular for their cameras. AI cameras. AI technology. And as you can see... mirror. The quality is just nice. Wait, that looks stupid. Look at that. I mean, the color of the photo, the details. It's quite good.
It's more light here.
Yeah, this one's better. I like the color in this one. Like, compare it. And let's try to find out what else is included in the box. Of course, we have the small box inside, which holds the SIM ejector tool. Comes with a free case. Yeah, same. Same. And it also comes with a screen protector. And of course, the manual. But who really reads the manual? Do you guys read the manuals? Let us know in the comment section down below if you do. Cord charging port. And what are we missing? Oh, earphones.
I like that they have the screen protector.
I know, it's free. It comes for free.
Aside from the case.
Yeah,
Aside from the case,
It's
they
not
also
usual
have-
though.
Well, sometimes, like some other phones already have it pre-installed. But this one,
You have to do it yourself.
you have to do it manually. Which I doubt I can, but we'll see. Or we'll have someone else do it. Because I don't really trust myself in these kind of matter. Alright, so if you guys are looking for Christmas gifts to your loved ones or your family, you can get this Nova 3i white phone in this new color for 15,990 pesos.
And for the Nova 3, 25,990.
Right, so go get yourself one. I would definitely suggest this one because it looks classy, it looks premium, and it's just basically nice. for a cheaper price. For a lower price. Go get yours now. What do you guys think about this new color? Or basically the phones? Let us know in the comment section down below. And if you need holiday presents for your loved ones and yourself, go to the nearest Huawei stores near you or any gadget stores. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified of our future uploads. And don't forget to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Kim,
AJ.
and thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.